Hold on. Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is Lab 8.4.4, and we are going to create a logical volume. All right, so let us start up right away. So I think we're going to be working with the terminal. Most of the work we do will be in the terminal. So let's bring this to the middle so that you see what I'm doing clearly. So we start up. So we're going to type in ls space /dev /sd asterisk, then press enter, and I'm going to type in pv create /dev and /sdb1 and space /dev and /sdc1, press enter. Okay, so this created successfully. So VGS, press enter. No volume groups found. No volume groups found. Okay, no volume. I guess we have to create one then. No volume groups found. Okay. So for this, I guess we will have to create one. Since there is no volume groups found, we will have to create one. We have to create one. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? We have to create one. What do we have? So, okay, we create one. So we type in VGC REATE space data and space /dev /sdb sdb1 space /dev /sdc1 and press enter. So we type in VGS, enter. So lv creates space --size -it space -n space art space date space data, press enter, and mkdir space product, press enter, and mount space dash t space ext4 space /dev /data /art and okay, let's see, is there anything we're missing here? Is there anyone missing anything? Nope. Let's erase this. There's an error somewhere. All right, so we start again. It's going to be mkfs.ext .ext4 space /dev /data /art, and then we'll go ahead and press enter. Mount dash text for /dev /data and /art space product, press enter. And type in cd product press enter and touch space new product press enter and type in ls press enter and type in df-h and press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Alright, so